In today's video, we will show you how to log into Hola Prime Markets. First, head to the top right corner of the website holaprimemarkets.com and click on Login. A new page will open. Enter the email address you registered with, followed by the password you set. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password to reset it. Here, enter your registered email address and click Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code and click Continue. A new page will open where you can set your password again. Make sure your new password follows the rules below, at least 8 characters, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and more. Retype the password, or copy and paste it to confirm, then click Continue. Your password will be reset successfully and you will be redirected to the login page. Now, enter your email and new password and click Log In. And that's it, you're successfully logged into Hola Prime Markets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.